The iPhone 16 Pro packs a bigger 6.3-inch display. Although Apple claims that the new display is 2 times tougher than any smartphone glass, we all know that glass is glass and it gets scratches and breaks. If you don't want to spend $329 on repairs, install a screen protector on your iPhone. In this video, I will review the Benks Glass Warrior Screen Protector to tell you whether it's a good choice for you or not. The Benks Glass Warrior Screen Protector comes in a good packaging. The screen protector promises SD clarity, scratch resistance, fingerprint resistance, and other features. Opening the box, you will be greeted with a big dust sticker, the screen protector installation kit, and a packet containing a wet wipe and microfiber cloth. The installation is simple thanks to the included kit. You place the phone on top of the foam platform provided in the box and clean it with the wet wipe. Take your time to clean the display. You don't want any smudges or dust particles. You then use the microfiber cloth to dry the display and use the dust sticker to remove any dust particles. I like that Benks has included a big dust sticker. It makes it easy to remove any remaining dust particles. Once you are happy that the surface is clean, you take the installation kit and put it on your iPhone. Ensure that it is in the correct orientation. You will see an arrow at the top and a sticker coming out at the bottom. Press the installation kit gently on the iPhone and slowly pull away the sticker. Press on the marked area and wait for a few seconds. Now, press down on the number 2 and 3 tabs to release the installation guide and lift it off. Finally, remove the protective plastic. If you see any bubbles, as you see in this video, use a squeezy tool or a credit card to remove them. Benks should have included such a tool in the box, but it's not there. It took me a few tries, but I got rid of all the bubbles. If some bubbles remain, don't worry, they will usually go away in a few hours, provided you cleaned your iPhone's display properly and no dust was trapped between the screen protector and the display. My first impression is that this is a good screen protector. The visual clarity is good, and I don't notice any off-axis darkening. I especially like the slight lip on the top that covers the speaker and microphone cutout area. The top speaker grill attracts the most grime and dust, and I'm happy that this screen protector covers it. No other screen protector I have used has done so. That's a big fat point in the favor of Benks Screen Protector. I took several calls to see whether it affected the call quality, and I'm happy to report that it didn't. Overall, I quite like this screen protector. It feels great to touch, doesn't affect the touch sensitivity of the display at all, and doesn't diminish the viewing quality or angles. I'll pin a comment detailing how the screen protector performs after a month of regular use. But for now, I'm satisfied with the Benks Screen Protector, and if you want to purchase it, you can go ahead. Click here to watch our reviews of iPhone 16 Pro cases. Thank you for watching. I will see you there and have a nice day.